Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you running into the dreaded Microsoft Office error code 0-2031? It's a common issue that can unexpectedly stop your Office applications from working correctly. This particular error often pops up during installation processes, or sometimes when you're trying to update your software. It's frustrating, as it can completely prevent your essential Office programs like Word or Excel from launching, leaving you stuck and unable to get your work done. So, why does this error happen in the first place? One of the most frequent culprits is actually corrupted installation files, meaning something went wrong when Office was first set up. Sometimes, conflicts with other software already on your computer can trigger the error, especially security programs. Another common reason is an incomplete uninstall of a previous Office version, leaving behind old files that cause new issues. Our first and often most effective step is to use Office's built-in repair tool. It's designed to fix common problems without needing to reinstall everything. Just go to your control panel, then Programs, and find your Office installation. You'll see options for quick repair, which is faster and usually works for minor glitches. If that doesn't solve it, definitely try the online repair option. It's more comprehensive and re-downloads necessary files, giving your Office a much deeper refresh. If repairing Office doesn't do the trick, the next logical step is a complete uninstall and reinstall. Sometimes, corrupted files are too deeply embedded for the repair tool to handle. To ensure a truly clean removal, we highly recommend using the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. This free tool helps completely remove all traces of Office, preventing future conflicts. After running it, simply perform a fresh installation, and your Office should then work perfectly. Beyond these main steps, a few other things can help. Always ensure your internet connection is stable during any installation or update process, as this prevents download issues. Consider temporarily disabling your antivirus software, but remember to re-enable it quickly afterward for your security. If you've tried all these methods and the error still persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft Support directly. They have specialized tools and knowledge to assist you further, helping you get back to using Office without any more hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.